Today we're trying to determine the effectiveness of antacids to reduce heartburn.
What we're doing is trying to determine how much of the hydrochloric acid, which is the same chemical in our stomachs, is neutralized by a certain amount of antacid, and seeing which one is the most cost effective for how much is being used and how much you pay for it as well.
So it's really cool because I've definitely taken Rolaids and Tums before, so it'll be interesting to find out which one is the most effective so that I can maybe apply that then to my life.
More of the lab etiquette and seeing how things should be done instead of just all the theoretical things that need to be calculated beforehand.